Learn how to safely and correctly construct a pilot ladder aboard a vessel. This comprehensive tutorial covers all the essential steps, from preparing the materials to final inspection, ensuring compliance with maritime regulations. We'll cover the different components, common mistakes to avoid, and safety precautions to prioritize. Whether you're a seasoned mariner or a curious maritime enthusiast, this video provides a valuable insight into this crucial shipboard procedure. Pilot ladder, shipboard maintenance, maritime safety, seamanship, nautical skills, pilot ladder construction, rope work, marine safety equipment, IMO regulations, SOLAS regulations, shipboard training, HAUTA, tutorial, DIY, maritime industry, merchant navy, Coast Guard. A clear, high-quality photo showing a partially completed pilot ladder hanging from the side of a ship, with a gloved hand carefully attaching a rope. The title should be superimposed clearly and concisely. Consider a vibrant color palette. Hello and welcome. Today, we're tackling a vital piece of shipboard equipment, the pilot ladder. This seemingly simple structure is crucial for safe pilot embarkation and disembarkation. Improper construction can lead to serious accidents, so we'll cover each step meticulously. Let's get started. First, we need our materials. We'll be using specified type and diameter of rope, number, wooden steps, specified type of toggles, specified type and length of rope for side ropes, and strong shackles. Make sure all materials meet the relevant IMO and SOLAS regulations. Show certificates or specifications if possible. We begin by preparing the rope. We need to cut and carefully splice the rope to create the necessary lengths for the side ropes and the rope for the steps. Precision is key here to ensure even weight distribution and strength. Show clear close-ups of the splicing techniques, highlighting safety precautions. Now, we attach the wooden steps. Each step needs to be securely fastened using the toggles and spaced evenly. Make sure there's no play or looseness. This process requires careful attention to detail and strength to prevent any risk of the steps detaching during use. Show several angles of the process, highlighting the importance of proper knotting and spacing. Next, the side ropes are attached. These are critical for maintaining the ladder's stability. Ensure they are securely fastened to the main ropes using shackles or other suitable connectors. Remember to check all knots and connections for tightness. Show different knot tying methods if applicable. Emphasize safety precautions again. Before deploying the ladder, a thorough inspection is vital. Check every step, every knot, every connection. Look for any signs of fraying, looseness, or damage. Remember, a faulty ladder can have serious consequences. Show a checklist or infographic summarizing the inspection points. And there you have it, a correctly constructed pilot ladder. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. If you're unsure about any aspect of this procedure, always consult your ship's safety manual and seek guidance from experienced personnel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others learn this crucial skill. Optional, add a section showcasing different types of pilot ladders and their specifications.
Para mayroon kayong matutunan yung gustong magsiman, na gustong matuto, ganon ang gawin. Ganyan, i-twist yung isa, saka ipasok yung isang lubid para magiging lock siya. Yan. Yun. O, ganyan. Tapos i-twist naman yun siya, yung isang lubid, doon naman ipasok yung isang lubid para magiging lock na. Yan. Ganyan guys yung mga paggawa ng pilot ladder. Yan. So lock na. Tingnan mo, diba lock siya. Yan. Ganyan lang ang magawa guys ng pilot ladders. Kung gusto kayong matuto. Ayan. Tapos sinusukatan namin yan para hindi para pantay siya. Sinusukatan yan. Ganun lang ang gawin mo. Ipasok yung isang lubid. Yan. Yun. Pasok mo. Hila-hilain. Saka i-balance mo. Yung kabila namang lubid, lagyan ng mata. At saka ipasok mo yung isang lubid na naman para maging lock siya. Yan. Ganun lang magawa ng pilot ladder guys. Tsaka yung kahoy na yan na may butas, ilagay mo dyan, ipasok mo. Yan, hindi na yan siya gumalaw guys. Magiging lock na siya. Yan. Tingnan mo, balance balance na. Yan ang magawa ng pilot ladder. Yan. Ganon lang magawa kayo ng daanan ng isang lubid, yung mata at saka lain. I-twist mo naman yung isa, gawa ka ng butas na pinagdaanan ng isang lubid. Twist mo, saka ipasok yung isang lubid guys. Ganyan. Yan. Diba? Lock na siya. Next. Wala na. Tapos na yung gawa namin guys. Tingnan mo. Ipakuha namin guys. Yan na daw. Yan na. Tingnan mo. Ginawa namin guys. Ayan. Isukat. Ganon na yun ang style guys. Ayun tingnan mo guys kung yun tingnan mo. Ayun. Ganda. Ganda talaga abot na chip. Pwede na ang kahaba. Pwede na yan kahaba. Please. Ito na, gawa na namin guys. Yan lang guys. Salamat sa panonood sa ginawa naming content. Thank you very much.